Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi problem. If your Wi-Fi is not working in your POCO smartphone, if it is not connecting to the Wi-Fi or password issues, any of the issues is coming, how you can reset it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings and type here reset. Click on reset Wi-Fi and friends, then click on reset settings. Then you have to simply make a password and click on OK. And friends, you can see your Wi-Fi has been reset. And now you have to just simply turn on your Wi-Fi and connect to any network. You can see, just enter the password like this. And now it is connected successfully. If it is not working, then you have to restart your smartphone. It will work. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.